Right, okay, so looking at this question here, it's completing the question, completing the square question here. So I'll take my equation, and remember from the lesson that if we take whatever this value is and halve it, and square that, minus 3x times x minus 3 times x is going to give me minus 6x. I add on my 1, which is here, but I've got to remember that minus 3 times minus 3 is going to give me 9, so I need to take that off. So simplifying that, I end up with minus x minus 3 all squared minus 8, and those are my values of p and q. P being minus 3, q being minus 8. I'm going to use this to solve the equation. So I know that this is equivalent to this here, so I'm going to substitute that in, and I've got to set it equal to 0 to solve it. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 8 to both sides. So that's going to give me x minus 3 all squared equals 8. I square root both sides, so I've just got x minus 3 on this side. Here I've got the square root of 8. And then here I'm going to add 3 to both sides, so I end up with 3 plus or minus the square root of 8. And what I can do here is simplify that, so I've got 3 plus or minus root 4 times root 2. 3 plus or minus, and I know that root 4 is 2, so it becomes 2 root 2.